Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase wallet to Binance. We'll cover the entire process, from preparing your accounts to confirming your deposit. This guide will help you understand each step, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer of your digital assets. By the end, you'll be confident in managing your crypto across both platforms. Let's get started. Before initiating any transfer, it's crucial to prepare your accounts. First, make sure both your Coinbase wallet and Binance accounts are fully verified. Next, confirm that the cryptocurrency you intend to send is available in your Coinbase wallet. Finally, navigate to Binance and find the exact deposit address for that specific asset. Double-check the network to avoid any issues. Now, let's initiate the transfer from your Coinbase wallet. Open your wallet application and select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. It's vital to ensure this address is absolutely correct. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then meticulously review all transaction details before confirming the send. This step is irreversible. After sending your crypto, the next step is to confirm its arrival on Binance. Log into your Binance account and navigate to your spot wallet. You should see the incoming deposit pending or confirmed. Remember that transaction times vary depending on the blockchain network. If your deposit doesn't appear after a reasonable waiting period, please reach out to Binance customer support for assistance. Congratulations on a successful transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.